Have you ever been in a situation where you need to make a crucial business call, but your internet connection is flaky, or you simply prefer the reliability of your mobile network or a landline? What if you could still make that call through your business phone system, displaying your professional caller ID, even when you're not using the RingCentral app's VoIP calling? That's where Ring Out on RingCentral comes in. It's a game changer for modern business communication, offering incredible flexibility and ensuring you maintain a professional presence, no matter where you are or what device you're using. In today's fast-paced world, businesses need communication solutions that are not just powerful but also adaptable. Traditional phone systems often tie you down to a desk or rely solely on a stable internet connection for advanced features. But what happens when you're on the go, in an area with spotty Wi-Fi, or simply prefer to use your personal mobile minutes for a call? Ring Out is the answer to these common challenges, bridging the gap between your RingCentral business number and any external phone. So, let's dive deep into what Ring Out is, how it works, and why it's such a valuable asset for businesses of all sizes. At its core, Ring Out is a clever feature within the RingCentral platform that allows you to initiate outbound calls using your RingCentral business number and caller ID. But the actual voice connection is made through a separate phone number you designate, typically your mobile phone or a landline. Think of it as a smart redirect. Instead of relying on your internet connection to transmit your voice data via VoIP, RingCentral essentially calls your designated phone first, and then, once you answer, it connects you to the party you intend to call. All the while, the recipient of your call sees your official RingCentral business number on their caller ID. This two-legged call approach is what makes Ring Out so robust. Let's break down the mechanics. You, the RingCentral user, decide to make a call using Ring Out. You can initiate this from your RingCentral desktop app or mobile app. Instead of placing a direct VoIP call, you've configured Ring Out to be your preferred outgoing call method, or you specifically select it for that particular call. Next, RingCentral's system first dials the Ring Out number you've set up. This is the external phone you want to use for the conversation, your personal cell phone, your home landline, or even a hotel phone. Once your designated Ring Out number rings, you answer it. You might even hear a prompt asking you to press 1 to connect the call, adding an extra layer of control. As soon as you answer and confirm, RingCentral then dials the actual destination number, the client, prospect, or colleague you wanted to reach. Crucially, when the destination party receives the call, they don't see your personal mobile number or the landline you're using. Instead, they see your professional RingCentral business number and caller ID, maintaining your brand consistency and privacy. The beauty of Ring Out lies in its versatility and the significant benefits it offers businesses. First and foremost, it provides unmatched call reliability. In today's hybrid work environments, internet connectivity can be unpredictable. If your Wi-Fi is spotty or you're in an area with poor data coverage, traditional VoIP calls can suffer from dropped calls, poor audio quality, or delays. Ring Out bypasses this by leveraging the robust infrastructure of traditional phone networks. This means your critical conversations remain clear and uninterrupted, even when your data signal is weak. Secondly, Ring Out ensures professionalism and brand consistency. Imagine calling a client from your personal mobile number. It might appear less professional or even lead to confusion. With Ring Out, every outbound call appears to come from your established business number, reinforcing your company's identity and making it easy for clients to recognize and trust your calls. This is invaluable for maintaining a strong brand image. Then there's the significant advantage of cost savings, especially for international calls or when traveling. When you use Ring Out, the connection to your designated phone is essentially an inbound call to that device. This can be particularly beneficial if you're traveling internationally and want to avoid exorbitant international outbound calling rates on your personal mobile plan. By using Ring Out, you're only paying for the initial inbound leg to your phone, and the outbound leg through RingCentral system is often covered by your RingCentral plan minutes. This can lead to substantial savings, making global communication more affordable and accessible. Furthermore, Ring Out offers enhanced privacy. By masking your personal phone number, it helps you maintain a clear boundary between your professional and personal life. You can make business calls from your personal device without exposing your private number to clients or contacts. This is a huge win for work-life balance and personal security. It also provides flexibility in device usage. Whether you prefer the tactile feel of a traditional desk phone, the convenience of your mobile phone, or you're simply in a location where a specific phone is available, like a hotel room, RingOut empowers you to use that device while still routing the call through your RingCentral system. This adaptability is crucial for remote teams and individuals who are constantly on the move. Setting up RingOut is straightforward. Within your RingCentral account settings, you can designate your preferred RingOut numbers. You can add multiple numbers, such as your mobile phone and home landline, and easily switch between them depending on your current needs. Most RingCentral plans include the RingOut feature, making it readily available to users. In essence, RingOut is more than just a calling feature. It's a strategic tool that empowers businesses to communicate more effectively, reliably, and professionally. It eliminates the limitations of internet dependency for outbound calls, ensures your brand always comes first on caller ID, and can even save you money on call costs. For any business that relies on consistent, high-quality outbound communication, RingOut is an indispensable part of the RingCentral ecosystem. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.